Yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. What was that?
What?
Oh, I thought I felt something.
I can't see anything. Can you?
That's funny.
Well, we're going to sing a song about rainbows. Why don't you try and make a rainbow shape with your hands every time you hear the word rainbow in the song? Now, it comes up quite often, so listen carefully. Are you ready, White?
Oh, yes, I'm ready.
Red and orange and yellow and green, blue, indigo and violet too.
These are the colours that you will see if a rainbow shows itself to you.
These are the colours that you will see if a rainbow shows itself to you.
If the sun is out and the rain is falling and the sun shines through the rain,
you may see a rainbow climbing high into the sky and down again. Red and orange and yellow and green, blue, indigo and violet too. These are the colours that you will see if a rainbow shows itself to you. These are the colours that you will see if a rainbow shows itself to you.
I like colourful things, do you? It wouldn't be much fun if everything was black and white and grey, would it? Especially toys and books and puzzles and things. But I wonder, how do they make them so colourful?
Well, I think that a Y-Tech could help solve some of that mystery, why? This is Paul. He's an artist, and he's been asked to paint a picture for Playdays jigsaw puzzle.
Oh, look, there's me. I'm on the back seat with Patch and Lizzie. Oh, now, you be careful painting those feathers. Make them nice and colourful, won't you? Yes. Oh, yes, lovely. He's really got to concentrate. Wonder who he's going to do next.
It's Dot.
Dot always needs a bit of colour in her cheeks. That. And then some water on it. Smudge it in nicely. Oops. Nice yellow colour in the film. I have to be careful because some colours run a lot, so I don't do the reds first because they run into other colours later on. Let's do nice green 3. And we'll do the blue of the bus when we've done every other colour. Some orange drumsticks.
Paul's using special coloured inks, which dry much quicker than ordinary paint. They can be used straight from the bottle or mixed together in an artist's palette. It won't be long now till the bus and all the Playdays characters are ready to go. The finished picture will be copied at the printers and then sent to the Jigsaw Puzzle factory.
Well, I think it's worth all that work, don't you? Especially since I'm on the Playdays puzzle. Be a shame not to see all my feathers in their full colours, wouldn't it?
Oh, yes, very smart. What do you think? Hmm?
Oh, Stuart, I like that.
Thank you, why, I made it.
You didn't, did you? Ooh. Do you think you could make me one, please?
Oh, actually, I was just in the process of making one. A pink one for you, I thought, why?
Oh, yes, I like pink.
Now, what colours would you like on it?
Blue. Because
Blue.
blue's my favourite colour.
There's some blue stars, then, why?
Stars.
You don't have to use stars. You could paint the bow tie, or perhaps use felt tips, crayons. And all this is a piece of card, why? Cut out to the shape, and some thin elastic put through to tie it on.
Well, I think it's very clever, Stuart.
Thank you, why? Right, there's the blue stars. What else
Can
would
I have
you
a
like?
red one in the middle, please?
Of course you can. One red star in the middle. Right, let's try it on now. Beak up. Okay.
Not too tight.
Now, is that comfortable?
Oh, yes, that's lovely.
There we are.
What do you think?
I think it's lovely. Would Madam like to see herself in the mirror?
Oh, yes, Madam would, please.
There you are.
Oh, yes. I like that.
Right, I'll just take your bow tie off now then.
No, you won't, Stuart. I'm going to wear it all day.
No problem, why? Well, today's story is about a bear who does have a bit of a problem. It's called Brown Bear in a Brown Chair. There was once a brown bear who lived in a brown chair. He was sat upon very often because you couldn't see he was there. "I'm feeling so flat," he said, when really a bear should feel happy and fat. One day he had a good idea, so he called Maggie, the little girl whose bear he was. "I must have a ribbon round my neck," he said, "so that people can see I'm here." Maggie got him a yellow ribbon off a chocolate box. Bear sat happily in his chair. A mother bird on the windowsill saw him. She peeped to her children. "Chip, look, there's a bear in that room with no clothes on, only a yellow ribbon round his neck and nothing else." Bear was beginning to feel he was wearing too little. "I hope those nasty birds don't find any worms for their breakfast today," he said. "I have to have some trousers now," Bear said to Maggie. So she cut the legs off an old pair of stripy pants to Bear's size and hemmed them. But they were too tight and made his tummy stick out. Suddenly, Bear saw a little mouse peeping at him over the chair. It squeaked, "Oh, what a fat, lazy bear just lying around on a chair all day. Not like us poor mice, we have to work hard just to find one tiny crumb." So Bear said to Maggie, "Now I must have a shirt to cover my tummy that's sticking out." Maggie sat down and made him a shirt, sewing with large stitches. It took a bit of time, but at last there it was, finished. Bear felt very proud. "Aren't I well dressed?" Bear said. Just then the cat went by and said, "Well, how can you be well dressed if you don't have shoes on? Bears like you don't deserve to sit on comfy armchairs." The cat really wanted to sit on the chair herself. "Now I have to have a pair of shoes to be really well dressed," said Bear to Maggie. So Maggie had to take the shoes off her doll and give them to Bear. The doll was very cross. She gave a huge sneeze. "Achoo! I shall catch a bad cold now, all because of you," she said to Bear. Bear pretended not to hear. "Am I dressed right now?" Bear said to the poodle who was watching him. He stood on his head, feet up, to show off his new shoes. The poodle sniffed. "You can't be in fashion without a hat. Didn't you know? All smart people have hats." So Bear wanted a hat next. But what excuse could he find this time? "Maggie," he said, I feel cold on my head." Maggie looked at him and then went off to find a little sun hat in the bottom of a drawer. She'd worn it when she was a baby. It was just Bear's size. "There, is that all now?" she asked, putting his hat on. "You really are becoming quite a bothersome bear." Bear sat with his hat on, thinking hard. What else was there that he must have and didn't have? Just then the parrot woke up on his perch. He fixed a wicked eye on Bear. Suddenly he screeched, "Ah, you do look silly. Just like a clown dressed up for the circus. Bear was very upset. Though he was all dressed up, he only made people laugh. Then he had his second good idea, to get rid of all those horrid clothes quickly. They were beginning to make him feel rather uncomfortable and not at all like himself. Up into the air went his hat. Off with those tight trousers. Shoes, away with them, 1, 2. He felt better and better every minute. The shirt and the ribbon went last. All the animals cheered. Hooray! Maggie's mother made a new cover for the old brown chair. Bear said, a brown bear shows up well on a flowery chair. I won't be sat on by mistake anymore. But there was a bit of leftover flowery material. Maggie's mother made Bear a little dress out of it. So there he was again, a bear wearing the same pattern as the chair. And everyone was sure to sit on him as before.
Poor old brown bear. What a pity Maggie's mum had some material left over.
Yeah, I thought he looked better without that dress. Did you? Come on, Why? It's time for us to go now.
Oh, yes. Don't forget Dot's glasses.
Oh, right you are. And I thought maybe we could take our rainbow picture to show the others.
Oh, that's a good idea. Oh, no, Stuart, look, it's got a blob on it.
Oh, yeah, it's only a little blob, Why? It doesn't spoil it.
Blob. I know. I'm going to make blob my word for today. Blob. Hey, come on, we better be going.
Right. Did you get that? Blob. Bye.
Bye-bye.
There's always a tense moment, isn't there, at the end of the Y-Bird stop, when we haven't yet got the word of the week and they says, right, time for us to go. And we're like, oh no, they haven't got the word of the week. But luckily, they always get one just in time. Christian Yate has a birthday today, and there he is in there.